podcast, radio and stuff.
Because we haven't done this in a very, very long time. You and I sitting like this, having a chat about radio. I'm very, very excited about today's show.
I know, I'm excited, Kakul. It's been an exciting 2-3 days, and it's going to continue to be exciting.
100%. 100%. It's been an exciting 2-3 days. And that's why namhlanje sizobuza umbuzo ukuthi nenzani lapho? Sithi hey, nenzani lapho?
No. People are disturbing things. People are doing things that are out of the norm, if I may put it that way. Yeah, this is what people are doing in what we call the radio industry. And it's lovely when people do things that are out of the norm. You know, you and I love politics. Politics. It's boring ukuthi silinde indaba yama elections ukuthi kube nama heated debates. So we become excited makuba nama activities amaningi before the elections. Now ne radio sometimes kuba nezikhathi zokuthi sinake ngoba seku April or noma uMarch. But now we are talking about izinto ebesingayilindele.
We are here to talk about radio changes in June. Hello, everyone. Welcome to it. This is Podcast Radio and Stuff. I'm Dobego Kuluse. Never alone. I'm with my good friend here.
Dogozo Chapa, that's my name.
Let's get on with it, Dogozo. In fact, there's a lot happening. I'm so happy that we are doing this. Njalo hlale masilana si recorda sueko kweni guest. We haven't done our show together in a very long time. I haven't had you just to myself without somebody else. Did I just have you to myself?
Let me tell you what got us here, right? And share with the viewers what got us here. Now, a couple of days ago, I see a poster of Isolezwe on Facebook ekhuluma ngeslomo somsakazi esishiya Ukhozi FM, but ayisho igama. Mase kuthiwa ngakusasa sizobona i-article. I share that with you. And then we begin to try to dig ukuthi what's going on here. That's how this whole thing started.
That's exactly how it started. And I love the fact that we're telling ukuthi Isolezwe will keep leso story. Because emva kwalokho story fast forward sa developer very fast. And ngokwami Ukhozi FM la ema Isolezwe engeqwantwala. La vele la release a statement. Because phela ngithi mina nawe besothenga iphepha langa kusasa. Ukuze sibone lesilomo somsakazo ukuthi ubani. Ukhozi vele layithi badla indaba. So asibange sisaba khona isidingo sokuthi umuntu alinde Isolezwe ngoba useyazi ukuthi isilomo usel Beyonce. Uyahamba Ukhozi FM. Usehambile futhi Joan mina nawe nje sirecorda usehambile.
Did you expect this?
I did not.
You didn't see it coming.
No ways. I don't think anyone expected changes. You do not expect radio changes in June.
I didn't expect it at all.
You don't. You only expect them at Vuma. Because they make their changes now.
You're correct. An ECR maybe.
Yes.
You know.
But you don't expect an SABC radio station to make changes and someone who's doing The Drive, a prime time show, to say, you know what, sengiyahamba mina, sengiya somewhere else.
So that's what happened. So basically, mhlambe nje ukuyixoxa ngesizulu. So izindaba ke sesiyazazi sonke. Sel Beyonce, Mamkhize, simthanda kakhulu Ukhozi FM. Usehlale 13 years Ukhozi
Yes.
if ngizwe kahle.
Yes.
Obesehlale ku Ukhozi FM for 13 years. Ushilo Ukhozini FM uthole ithuba elisha with a new radio station, and leli thuba elisha alitholile. There's been a lot of speculations ukuthi uya kuphi, you know, people guessing ukuthi uya kuphi and so on, and she did a wonderful show yokugcina ngolesithathu
Yes.
abekade yenza ku Ukhozi FM eseyivala lapha ku Ukhozi FM. She has had a good stay on Ukhozi FM. If my memory serves me well, she started as a contributor on Ukhozi.
Yeah.
She was contributing on the top 20.
Yes.
If memory I'm in
And on Gingy at the time.
on Gingy
Yes.
at that time on a Saturday.
Yes.
That is if my memory is correct.
No, you're right.
And from there, she has grown within the station
Yes.
to being a household name. I don't think ukhona umuntu othanda izinto ze-entertainment ongamazi uSelBeyonce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, kuningi esingakusho mfethu. I think let's just pay tributes to Beyonce. She's played her role in the industry. Uyibekile induku ebandla.
Yes.
Ngicabanga ukuthi i-assignment ngalenkathi enikwa yona, why understander, why execute.
Definitely.
Well executed. I think she did an exceptional job. If you remember, when we had a chat with Uzandile Tembe,
Yeah.
Uzandile Tembe uyena programs manager owaqasha uSelBeyonce. And ngimzwile ngolesithathu futhi bekhona Ukhozini ezovalelisa kuSelBeyonce, and she told this story ukuthi Zuthu izathi ayiqashela uSelBeyonce. Esokuqala isokuthi uSelBeyonce utalented, une-talent. Esesibili esokuthi azorepresenta i-section of i-community ebingarepresentiwe emsakazweni. And uma ngabe ubona ukuthi lezo izathu zombili i-talent lakho ukwazela ulikhombisa, ngoba phela uSelBeyonce wafika enza 2 shows engena ngolesihlanu nangomsombuluko kwiwoza labangani bakho mase kwi-drive ephuma kumgqibelo.
Yes.
Kodwa ngase bexoxa kwisho yabengolesithathu yokugcina noTshatha, bathi ngendlela kwakumnandi ngayo wayicelela yena uTshatha ukuthi ngicela nimlethe si-co-host abe khona every day. So that talks to uSelBeyonce netalent lakhe.
Yeah.
So italent angeke ulungabazi.
Yeah.
And then 2, which I think is a very important role that she played for the LGBTIQ plus community. uSelBeyonce was the first radio presenter from the community to do a primetime show that I can think of. I don't know, I'm sure there might be others, but in a station like Ukhozi FM, she
Yeah.
was the first. And she did it.
She did it. She nailed
She
it.
nailed it, and she nailed it to a point yokuthi ubungeke uthi ufakwe ngoba nakhu.
No, she nailed it.
She
nailed it.
deserved to be there.
She's talented. She is entertaining.
Yes.
You know, she is able to accommodate different guests that would be on the drive, because it's important also to be able to accommodate different guests, you know. So she just nailed it, you know. Mina, well, ngiyazi ukuthi liningi talent Ukhozini, but balahlekelwe kuSelBeyonce.
100%.
That's according to me. Balahlekelwe big time, but obviously everyone wants to grow.
Yeah. So just as a parting shot on this tribute part, I mean, we still have a long show to go. I just want to say to SelBeyonce, who's a friend of this show, by the way. She's a huge friend of podcast radio and stuff. We are thankful to her for that. But also, she should walk with her head held high, because she has executed the assignment that she was given. She's done wonderful for herself with her talent, but also what she has done for the community of LGBTI plus community cannot be undone. Because look around, how many have followed after SelBeyonce from the community, and they also did an exceptional job. So she opened doors for people that would have not been able to get into the industry. So Sel Beyonce, well done. You've done an exceptional work. And the nice thing is that she left while she was still on a high.
Relevant.
Yes.
While she was still relevant. And by the way, Sel Beyonce, she's still on radio. So agawakumlile ama headsets.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's still on radio.
Okay.
She's still going on radio.
Where's she going? not to name down.
Yeah, she's still on radio. So, ngenzela ukuthi ngabe ngathi useyaphuma emsakazweni. No, she's still on radio. So, there's going to be a big announcement by the radio station that has recruited this talented, beautiful Mamkiza Sel Beyonce. At this point, there is no radio station that has come out and said, "Aye, Sel Beyonce uzangala ngathina." But there's been a lot of talks on the streets of social media.
Yep.
In terms of where Sel Beyonce is going. Okay, firstly, my guess.
Yes.
It was my guess, but I took a U-turn.
Okay.
Yes. I thought she was going to Metro. Okay, that was my guess. But then when I read the statements and when I began to read other articles, I ngasing try U-turn. And now I'm convinced ukuthi uzovuka kwiGagas.
Yeah. Abantu abaningi bagesa those two. Abanye bathi Metro, abanye bathi iGagas.
Yeah.
Nami ngikholelwa ekutheni iGagas.
Yeah.
Ngikholelwa ekutheni iGagas, and I'll tell you why I think iGagas. Metro made their changes in April. And they implemented the changes as they wanted them. They had no surprises. Everything went according to plan, and they didn't make major changes. On Kakasi FM, on the other hand, you remember that Kakasi delayed their announcement of changes?
Yeah, there was a reason.
The reason is because Zisto dropped a bombshell that she's now leaving Kakasi FM. So Kakasi needed to know what's now going forward. And they announced the lineup, and Zisto is not on the lineup. Well, she's not on the drive. So it makes sense if Sel Beyonce is gonna join a station, she's gonna join a station that made changes that they didn't intend to make. Ngoba mawubuka on the drive, Fast Lane Drive, they've had different radio presenters that have been hosting the drive. They had Nkulimbata, Luyanda Kambule, Lusanda Mngai, Angel Ndlela from Real Housewives of Durban. They had Londi London, Real Housewives of Durban as well. And I thought that was very interesting. And I thought if they keep Londi London, it would be very interesting. But Londi London does not have a very good relationship with Mina Ntuli from the Real Housewives of Durban. I do watch Real Housewives of Durban dolls. I don't look surprised. And then we have Zulum Katini and Minnie Dlamini this week is hosting that show. So I think she's heading to Ikakasi, and I personally think that's the slot she's going to fill.
The drive.
Yes.
What happens to Mina Dlamini?
That's a very good question. I don't. So there are articles right now. Well, not articles. Maybe umuntu ongakazi ubungibuza what happens to Mina Dlamini. Let's give a background story so they can understand, or context. So Umini currently is hosting or rather co-hosting with the Kings at 3 to 6 Fast Lane Drive, and she posted on Instagram that she's joining Kakasi FM. She's happy to be back in Durban. You know, it sounded like a permanent move. So we all thought at that time she's now going to be the permanent host or co-host on 3 to 6. I don't know what's going to happen to Mina Dlamini, to be honest with you. I don't know. I don't think she's permanently joined the Kakasi. I think this is just an assumption. I think she's part of the list of the people that I've mentioned now that have been hosting.
Yeah.
I think
Guest presenters.
She's a guest presenter.
Guest presenters.
I think so too. I think she was just excited that what she was saying, but I might be completely wrong. As we are recording this, the announcement hasn't been made, so I might be completely wrong. But I don't think she's joining.
This was written by Sizwe Blose.
An interesting article.
Yeah, on platform.
It's News Avenue.
News Avenue.
Yes.
So Sizwe Blose is saying, Umamkhize Sel Beyonce uzojoin Felix Hlophe ekseni. Am I correct?
Yes.
Then Uminenhle Ntuli uzomuva aye kwi-Drive. Am I correct?
Yes.
So those are that is what the article Asizwe says.
Yeah. Can you allow me to read it?
Okay.
Just to make sure we're not misquoting him.
Okay.
So uthi Sel Beyonce Dumengele ka Sel Mkhize Dumengele ka Sel Beyonce uveze ubukhulu bakhe kwezokusakaza eshintsha imisakazo emikhulu eshintshisa imisakazo emikhulu izinhlelo. Ngokujwayelekile imisakazo ishintsha izinhlelo ngo-April kodwa uSel Beyonce uvele waveza amandla akhe washintsha izinhlelo ngoJune. Ngokomlando uSel Beyonce sekungumlando ukuthi uSel Beyonce uyoqala kwiGagasi FM nokungumsakazo aqala kuwona uyoqala kwiGagasi FM nokungumsakazo aqala kuwona kusho ukuthini ke lokhu kuchaza ukuthi uma uSelby engena ekseni kwiGagasi FM noFelix Hlophe kungenzeka bathathe uMini Ntuli bamyise ohlelweni lantambama kwazise kwahamba uZisto owayeyiqonda kahle imarket yase KZN. So ngizoma lapho. But uyazi uthi kungenzeka. Hayi ukuthi nakhuluma with certainty, but uthi kungenzeka.
Okay. So, all right. My honest view, makuthi iGagasi likwazi ukuthi libe noMinenhle Dlamini, libe noMini Ntuli, libe noSel Beyonce, libe noFelix Hlophe, libe nama the Kings of the Weekend. No, that is huge.
Those are big brands.
No, that is huge.
Those are big
for
brands.
A commercial radio station. Ukuthi ke bazobe befakwe kanjani kuphi akusakona okwami. But
Yes.
if they can have those people within the station, no, that is huge.
I agree.
So, and I did listen to Minenhle Dlamini, because I do listen to Mini Ntuli. Listen, there's nothing I can take away from her. She is a presenter. She has presented on TV. She has presented sports shows. So I think she'd be able to rise up to the task. I don't doubt her. There's nothing that I can really judge good 3 days and but I can tell you, Guti, she will be able to rise up to the occasion and she'll be able to execute. Well, I don't know what their plans are with her, but I'm just saying these are big brands, and if they afford to ngokwemali, they have the financial muscle to have all these brands under one umbrella. It's good for Gagasi. I don't wanna lie.
100%. But you're not gonna cop out just like that. What do you think is gonna happen? Yes, I hear you, Uti. If they were to have all of these brands within the station, that would be big, and I agree with you. But we need to know your thoughts. What do you think will happen?
You see, I have to be honest.
Yeah.
If they are bringing in Usel Beyonce, beyomfaka with the Kings on the Drive.
Sure.
Bazobe balmagile blind ukhozi. It would be a good move, right? But I don't know. I don't think ukuthi they bazoba ama voice azoba too many if they are still going to be keeping Uminenhle Dlamini on that Drive.
I don't think I don't think they would do that. Yeah.
So now I don't know where will they take Uminenhle Dlamini when they bring Usel Beyonce to the Drive. I'm trying to see what bazomyisa kuphi. Because the breakfast is strong with those two.
Very strong.
It's strong, according to me. So angiboni ukuthi ke bazomyisa phi Uminenhle Dlamini. I don't know. but they've got a talent manager there who knows what to do with the talent that she has at her disposal.
Yeah.
And that is Ayanda Melanzi. So that's the talent that she has at her disposal. So she has to decide what she's going to do with it.
And in all honesty, it's a good headache to have. It is, if that's true, if she'll have all of them, Sel Beyonce, Mini, both Minis in the station, it's a very good headache to have.
Yeah.
So I think let's wait and hear. But what do you think of it? I'll tell you what I'm not sure if it's true. Uguti Sel Beyonce move ayo co-hoster with Felix in the morning, and then Mini ayintambama. Okusho ukuthi umini Ntuli ayintambama, usho ukuthi umini Dlamini so besingazi kwenzakalani ngayo. But what made me think there might be some truth? It's possible.
Why?
Interpersonal relations between Umini, Ntuli, no Felix Shock. Remember what they once had some clashes that were public.
That was last year.
Yes, last year. And there were stories about ukuthi bangabona ngasolinye okwenzakala emsebenzini. Kodwa mangabe ufundi article kanjena ukubona ukuthi shooting ngenzeka ukuthi abaphathi mhlawumbe it's becoming unbearable, so mhlawumbe abaphathi they are trying to separate them.
Well, I don't know if that did continue or it didn't continue, and I don't have insight in terms of really how deep it was.
Yeah.
But my question is, why change what is working? You know, that combination is currently working.
Yeah.
The listeners are loving it. We don't know what is happening behind the scenes, you know. So is what's happening behind the scenes really going to impact the output? If it's not impacting the output, leave it as it is.
I agree. So, I don't know, bruh. I don't know. I think we wait and see what comes out of Gagasi FM. But let's leave Gagasi FM just a little. Go back to Ukos. So, Hamile Sel Beyonce. Who's gonna replace Sel Beyonce Okozin?
I don't know. Again, okay, they don't have a EPM, ne? All right.
Banaye Madam
Obambile.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Ukhona Madam Landi Obambile.
Yes.
I don't know. But from where I'm seated, they have one option. It's either you wanna play it safe, and when you play it safe, uvumela ukuthi akaqhubeka uChatha yedwa.
Okay.
Ngiyakholelwa ekuthenini uChatha unayo i-capability yokwazi ukuqhubeka eyedwa.
Yeah.
Ayenze i-thrive until March next year. And then mesebenza ke ama-proper changes next year or introduce a new voice ngonyaka ozayo. So I think option one loyo, it would be playing it safe. But remember, radio, it is a space of competition. So again, to play it safe might be unsafe for you because the competition izobe idlalise rough.
Yeah.
So if the competition idlalise rough, how are you going to be dealing with the competition? Are they going to look within or are they going to go outside? If looking within, sibheka bani. Ngokwami kumele baye kwi-weekend because again, I don't think it would be wise to move Umroza ekuseni. I think wenza kahle kakhulu laphaya kulola hlelo, so I don't think kufanele bamsusa Umroza ekuseni. So she's a very important link in that breakfast show. So nge weekend, I don't know. I've been trying to think of names. I don't know. Do you want to throw a name? I don't know.
One le yokuthi uChatha angayenza show yedwa, definitely. I mean, italent la Chatha siyalazi, amagalelo akho siyawazi, angayenza. Kodwa I was just thinking about it now, njobukhuluma. Yipi drive enzo umuntu oyedwa?
Currently.
Which radio station can you think of top of your mind?
Actually, no. At the moment, ayikho ebuyayo as I sit and think.
Exactly.
And nayo yokhozi yayishisa ehamba yedwa kusawulinda sibiye.
Yes. So okusho ukuthi modern radio dictates
ukuthi silindeleni.
Ukuthi kuyasetshenziswana njengamanje ntambama. And mawubuka indlela uTshatha no Sel Beyonce abebesebenzisana ngayo. It would be nice, you know, ukuthola omunye umuntu ukuzwa ukuthi sho uyena angenza muphi umsebenzi. As much as uTshatha ngikholwa namuthi angayenza yedwa, but I think modern radio dictates ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola umuntu ozobamba kuze kufike uApril. Nginalo ke eminye igama.
Obani?
Sithandwa Nzuza.
Okay.
Sithandwa Nzuza is the solution for me. I know she recently came back to Ukhozi FM. Kodwa amagala lakho siyawazi, unaso Spillion, uyagijima usithandwa, u3 to 6 umfanele. So mina ngingafaka usithandwa Nzuza ngingangabazi.
Okay. If we were to look within, then after Sithandwa Nzuza, I think DJ Zil Dladla. Yeah.
She's got the experience.
She's got the experience. Ubekwe Metro FM isikhathi eside, waba kwivuma, had a stint on ECR and Ukhozi manje.
Yeah.
So ngiyakholelwa ukuthi angakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi omuhle maybe ngamnikeza ithuba.
Yeah.
Bear in mind ukuthi ngazi ukuthi uncishelwe ama shows manje.
Yeah, bengena Saturday and Sunday, and Saturday and Friday and Saturday, why you show kanjani? Bengena Friday and Saturday, njengamanje sekena Friday.
Yeah, so asisazi izizathu esimenze wancishelwa ama show. Mhlambe akaperform kahle ama numbers awamvuba. I don't know.
Yeah.
But ke ingakho ngithi ungomunye wabantu abangamnikeza ithuba. Masibuka ngaphakathi. Sazi ke noma nabo bafuna ukuyolanda ibrand, they are within the SABC. Maybe they're gonna bring somebody from TV.
Yeah.
Remember Ukhozi kuye kwasakaza abantu abanjengo Zamangcobo.
Yes.
Kuye kwasakaza abantu abanjengo Zamangcobo who was a TV personality at that time.
Yeah.
So now they can flex their muscle and maybe bring somebody on TV.
Yeah, no, it's possible. Anything is possible, bro.
Yeah.
So AM Metro no Sel Beyonce uthi ayikho.
Based on the developments, no, I'm now also leaning more towards ekuthenini no uzovuka ngale Econopia Mall.
Yeah. Because nami umbuzo mina enginawo for laba abathi uya kwi Metro. Which show? Mawuthi uya kwi Metro, which show? Ayikho show engiyibonayo njengamanje engathi bangafaka uSelby kuyona. I don't know. She can fit whatever show. But mawubuka indlela lineup ya Metro engayiyona, especially prime time. Angimboni bemisa ku Sebi because the team is full there. 3 to 6 the team is full. 9 to 12, 12 to 3. Yeah, so I don't know unless khona singakwazi. So we are saying Gagasi FM.
Yeah. Anyways, we don't know if the announcement is a thing. Kule gambling yet. That is where we are putting our coin.
Yeah. And then Fast Lane Drive. Just while we wrap this up, take a guess. What are you expecting? So Sel Beyonce, you're expecting her there or Minnie Dlamini?
No, I'm expecting Sel Beyonce.
Same here. I'm expecting Sel Beyonce there. Like I said, I think Minnie Dlamini was a stand-in guest DJ for Gaga so Manj. But again, we'll wait and see. Those were just our speculations on this one, Dogozo. Exciting times. Njengoba nje besifunda i-article. You can go read that article Kasizwe Plus on News Avenue. Ekhuluma ngokuthi uSel Beyonce uflexile wayekhombisa ama powers wakhe. Wazamazamisa industry ngoJune into esingayijwayele.
Definitely.
Yeah, ne? I think yeah, let's call it a day. But before we do that, there's been so many things that have happened around the radio industry in Togozo. We haven't had an opportunity, to talk about these things, and I think we are getting that opportunity today. Since women are now and we don't have a guest. No, angisho ama guest asiphazamisa. So Since we've had so many things since the industry, I think let's take this opportunity and congratulate Ulwazi Mtabela. Station manager ngeteam lakudala kodwa njengamanje sekuthiwa business manager Ukhozi FM. So we are quite excited to see ukuthi Mr. Mtabela asiphathele yona, but congratulations to Mr. Mtabela.
Yeah, a very big congratulations to Mtabela. Yeah, we wish him all the best. He's fairly new in the position, not new within Ukhozi FM, yep. But new in that position, and we look forward to ukuthi uzosithatha lesi stage ayosibeka kuliphi izinga based on ukuthi usithola sikuphi. So we're looking forward to that.
100%. While we wish people, Alex Mtiane, the legend, 30 years of radio.
Yeah, that man has got great resilience. You know, being able to stay relevant within the industry for so many years is not easy. And he has managed to remain relevant for all these years. When he is on air on Kakasi FM, listeners still get excited. Just the other day, I was listening to him on the breakfast show when they hosted him.
Oh, yes.
The listeners were just excited to listen to him. So congratulations to him. You know, it's been exciting to listen to some of his old clips, some of his TV clips, people who are taking us back down memory lane. And for some of us who have been following him, it's amazing.
Yeah, I'm sure you're thinking
yeah.
You're thinking about that Lionel Mchali interview.
Yeah, I think that's one of the most popular ones.
100%. Alex, mina nawe abantu abakwi-age group yethu nabadala bamazi esokhosini FM eka current affairs
ka news ngimkhumbule nje uhlela uphumele eshashalazi
yes
Ukhozi FM, and it was a huge surprise, by the way. Ngiqede mangikhuluma ngo-Alex, it was a huge surprise when he was announced ukuthi he's going to be taking over the breakfast show.
Okhosini
yes, because there was a breakfast show ekade yenziwa uBheki Msane, and then there was an announcement which is going to be taking over the breakfast show.
I remember that.
And I remember speaking to one of the veterans from Ukhozi FM who's late now, who shared ukuthi actually kuleya breakfast show they wanted to bring in uKabzela.
Oh, okay.
Who was with YFM at that particular time, and then for bebota be management kwaba nokuphikisana until yena ngoba wayetha kufakwe Alex, they gave it to Alex and he delivered.
Yeah, exactly. So kukhuluma ngetalent lakhe Mr. Mtiane, noma abe yini omnike yona uya excel kuyona.
Now, we just spoke about Selvionse. He left when he was still relevant at Ukhozi, if you remember.
Yes.
He went to join the government.
Yes.
And everybody was surprised that he was leaving radio.
Yes.
And that is why everybody was excited when he was going back to radio.
To Kakasi FM.
Yeah.
And so Okhosini, he achieved many things. His breakfast show was big. But, I mean, he's had so many big things. But this is for me. I think my highlight of Mtiane's career, because I've watched it play out over the years, it has to be the breakfast show on Kakasi FM. That breakfast show changed the radio landscape in KZN.
Definitely.
The way they did radio. The entire team, Alex and the crew. Even the naming of the show.
Yeah.
Alex and the crew. It's modern. It's saying that you have a brand who's big enough to have a name.
Attached to the show.
Attached to the show, 100%. And the show was absolutely beautiful. So for me, that was the highlight. But I said he excels in everything that he does. He went on Kakasi after hosting that show, and now he hosts talk. What is it? Indaba with Alex. And again, he trends on that show. There's that sex feature. That's
You
for
love
you.
this one more.
That is Mtiana for you. He excels in everything that he does. He gives us proper content.
Let me tell you something. I still sit here and I still believe ukuthi Alex and the crew iyona yaholela ekuthenini Ukhozi FM lufuna ukulanda uDJ Smooth.
I knew you were gonna say that.
I
You said that so many times.
They had to do something about it. Yeah.
No, I agree. I agree because that show, bruh, was big.
Yeah.
It was big. And imagine me, I'm a huge Lucky Sfata fan. Everyone knows that. But Alex was on Gagasi and then there was Lucky Sfata. So I was between the two stations. Alex Mtiane, thanks for everything that you've done for the industry. We appreciate you.
Yeah.
We celebrate you. He's a legend.
Yeah. Then there's another gentleman.
Yes.
Not many people know the name, not the face. Celebrating 25 years with Gagasi FM. So obviously was there from the time of P4.
Yeah.
And then when the station changed to Gagasi FM, he's still there. His name is Mimi Kesaris.
Yes.
Mimi K.
Yes.
Wow, congratulations to him on his 25 years. I respect him. He's been around in the industry. Many guys who have been with Gagasi speak highly of him. Abanye bafili kela kuyena bamshiya khona. He's been a music compiler for Gagasi FM. You know, he's also done programming for Gagasi FM. And right now, I think he is doing work that has to do with analyzing abalaleli be Gagasi and so on.
Yeah. No, Mimi has been, I mean, we've known of him, you know, as part of Gagasi, and he's held so many positions within the station. So we appreciate the work that he does behind the scenes. Yes. But there are people behind those voices. So congratulations to him.
Definitely.
Jabba, I think that we've come to the end. It felt really good to do this again. We haven't done this in a long time. But before we go, there's something that we haven't done. You remember we ran a poll where we were asking listeners, our viewers, to give us a name of our people that love our podcast. Yes, abantu abathanda le podcast. And there's a name that most people went for.
Yeah.
And I think it's time for us to introduce that name because, I mean, we ran that and someone selected the name. I'm thinking the upcoming episodes, I'll remember who it was. I don't have it right now with me. But the name that was selected is, there were kind of a number of options.
Yeah.
But I think the one that we really liked is PRS Tribe.
Yeah, the Tribe.
Yes, the Tribe. So...
Yeah.
We have the Tribe. I don't know how you feel about that. How do you feel being part of the Tribe? So everyone that watches the podcast is part of the Tribe. It's a beautiful name because a tribe has each other's back.
Yes, definitely.
And we are a family.
We are a family, definitely. All right, so looking forward to the changes. Mhlawumbe ngihleli naye nje uNtobeko naye usefoneliwe is joining someone, but so these are the changes in June, changes in winter.
Yes, and I did update my status. I said I'm ready. Ukuyothatha la party woza nabangani bakho.
No, you'll do well. You'll do well.
You know I would.
You will do well.
After 2 months, abalaleli bengathi mangabe sebethi hey uselfie bathi selfie who ngoba sebemkhohliwe sebazodobeka okhulusa.
Yeah.
No man, thank you so much everyone for watching. I think Dogos are we waiting with bated breath, quite excited. Whatever that comes, we quite excited, and you know probably there'll be some videos coming from us talking about whatever changes that will be announced by different radio stations, Ukhozi, Gagasi FM, or maybe Metro FM. We don't know. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.